If you guys are like me, when a new year hits, you want a new mantra, a new aesthetic, new room decor, a new bank account. Because we're all broke from the holidays, and so now's the perfect time to use our DIY and creative skills to bring the newness into our space. So today we're going to put our DIY creative skills to use and create some room decor that has some 3D lettering effect that barely costs a dime, and I'll provide you with 3 easy tips of how to display your artwork on a budget. Here's what you'll need to get started. Transfer your stencil onto your cardstock, making sure to trace your letters backwards. This will hide your pencil marks later. Cut out your letters. I'm keeping the centers solid as a style choice for mine. Lay your letters out on a contrasting color of cardstock, placing them a little to the left. Adhere them with tape or a glue stick. A glue stick is harder to keep clean, but use what you have. It helps if you have a cutting mat with these diagonal lines, but it's not necessary. Place your paper down, aligning the left side of your furthest left letter with the diagonal. We're gonna create parallel diagonal lines starting at the peak of our letters, going all the way down to the bottom of the paper. Once you have all of your lines, use your utility knife and scissors to cut out the perimeter. You'll carefully go around each letter until your word takes on a 3D effect. Put double-sided tape on the back and adhere to your third color of cardstock. Leave as is or repeat another layer or 2 for a full phrase. Cut off any excess paper. To hang, find a super cheap frame at a craft or thrift store and make it a part of the art by adding a couple of coats of black paint. Then, add a speckled pattern with a toothpick and white paint. I showed you this technique in more detail in a different video linked in the description below. Swap the colors for a second frame. Or, hammer in an equilateral nail into your wall and put a gold clip on top. Add your art and switch out as often as you'd like. Or, buy one art display ledge and stack frames or loose art on top. And voila! A new technique to create new art for a new year and unique ways to hang without spending too much money. I already finished the tutorial and it's like the night before the video goes up, but I found a last minute way to spin this project that I dig and I have to share it with you. So I just cut out a circle with my circle cutter, cardstock of course, and then I mounted my letters on that and it just gives it a new spin, a fresh fun look. We have no makeup going on. It's a last minute late night tip for you guys, but I had to share it with you, so here you go. How do you guys save money when you need something new, but you just don't have it in your bank account? Please fill up the comments with ideas because I need to know for my own selfish reasons. And we want to be sharing them with each other. Be sure to like the vid if you dig it and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.